Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful buffalo. Let's get started. First, begin by drawing some simple lines like this.
Okay.
Next, let's sketch out the face and eyes. Look, she's watching us draw.
Oh yeah.
Now, we'll add her nose, mouth, ears, and horns.
So cute. Hi.
Next, let's draw her body and legs.
Yes.
How about we add a cute baby buffalo right next to her?
Whoa!
Wow.
So cute.
Now, we'll add some grass on the ground.
Nice.
Wow.
Hi.
And let's draw a tree with plenty of leaves beside them.
Oh, nice.
To make the scene even better, let's add a bright sun and some fluffy clouds in the sky.
Nice.
Okay.
Now that the drawing is finished, it's time to color.
Nice.
Start by coloring the buffalo's head brown.
Nice.
I use pink for her nose and ears.
Nice.
And I use maroon for her horns and body.
Nice.
Oh. Guitar.
Cool!
Oh yeah.
We'll use the same colors for the baby buffalo too.
Nice.
Awesome!
Pew, 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 pew. Okay. Esta. Mama.
For the ground and grass, I use green and maroon for the tree trunk with green leaves.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Mama.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Hi. Guitar.
Whoa!
Awesome.
Pew, 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 pew. Gotcha.
Wow.
Guitar. Esta. Mama. Okay. Oh. Blah, 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 blah. So cute.
Wow.
Okay.
Let's color the sun red.
Nice.
So cute.
And the sky a beautiful shade of blue.
Nice.
Okay. Oh. Esta. Mama.
Wow.
Pew, 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 pew. Guitar.
Awesome.
And there we go. Our buffalo drawing is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye.